everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited to be sharing with you this Yucky U-part wig from Wiggins hair. This wig is super thick, super long. Of course, it's Yucky. So let me just let you know this is 22 inches. This wig does also come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. And I got a large because I have a larger size head. And there is definitely a little bit of extra room in the back if your head is larger than mine. So I would definitely recommend this wig for it's big head friendly. So now with this install, I love this one as well because it has the little clips that are super secure. I love a secure U-part. So this wig is amazing. The hair feels great. It's not too much for a Yucky texture. Like, it was perfect for that Yucky feel. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and give the girls curls with this Yucky U-part. It came out amazing. I love this hair. It looked super natural. Even you'll see when I just put the wig on, it looks like it was my hair after I just blow dried it. So this hair was amazing. I didn't blow dry it. I just went straight in with my curling iron and the curls came out perfect. So I do have all of the links in the description box below, as well as a coupon code if you guys are interested in checking out Wiggins hair, or if you're interested in purchasing this wig. So yeah, if you do have a question as well, go ahead and leave me a comment below. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the video and enjoy, and thank you guys so much for watching.